Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard's vibration on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. It's important to note that disabling keyboard vibration is a personal choice, and not everyone dislikes them. And many users find vibration helpful as they provide haptic feedback and confirm that a key press has been registered. So if you want to remove it, you can follow this way. Okay, first thing first, open Please settings on your device. Well, after that, select sounds and vibration, and then scroll down till you find system vibration. Tap on it. Okay, and here you can turn off the vibration in Samsung keyboard here. Okay, so now the vibration on your keyboard is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard vibration on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.